Potatoes oven baked with a bubbly, cheesy, crispy crumb-topped finish. The side dish everyone asks for by name. Are you making those potatoes? I had family up for a weekend at the cottage a few months back. We were talking about favorite side dishes. This was described to me and I was like, sorry, what is it? And they were like, you know, those potatoes. I was like, yes, you do, those potatoes. Having now made this dish, I have to tell you, it goes with everything. It's really easy to prepare. Most important, really delicious. Watch this. We're preheating our oven to 350 degrees. I'm gonna need 4 tablespoons of melted butter later in the recipe. I'm placing it on the vent at the back of the stove. I have a small skillet on stovetop moderate heat, melting 2 tablespoons of butter. When the butter gets bubbly, we're adding half of a white onion finely diced, plus 2 cloves of garlic, also finely diced. We're gonna cook until soft and fragrant. Potatoes. You're gonna need 1 bag of frozen hashed brown potatoes. Place them into the fridge the night before you intend to make this dish. They need to be completely thawed before you begin. When they are, large bowl, we're adding the thawed hashed brown potatoes plus 1 10-ounce can of cream of mushroom soup. Just work with me. 1 cup of sour cream. We're adding that onion garlic mix, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, a little bit of kick from a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Now, although I've already added Parmesan to this bowl, hands up if you like more cheese. I thought so. You can use cheddar or Swiss or Gruyere. Most important thing though, you're gonna need 2 cups of grated cheese for the recipe. Today I'm using a mix of cheddar and Gruyere. I'm taking a 1/4 cup of the grated cheese, place it to the side. I add the rest into the bowl. We're gonna stir everything together. Looks pretty good, right? We're then transferring to an 8 by 13 inch casserole dish. Smooth everything out. We're gonna sprinkle the top with that little bit of cheese we just reserved. Not done yet, we're gonna make a topping. Place 1½ cups of panko or breadcrumb into a small bowl. We're gonna drizzle with 4 tablespoons of melted butter. Toss to combine. Now sprinkle the crumb over the dish, transfer it to the oven and bake for 50 minutes. When you bring it out, the dish is all bubbly. The top is gloriously golden. I suggest letting the dish sit for 5 minutes before you serve. I also like to sprinkle the top with a little bit of chopped green onion, nice pop of flavor. When you do serve, look how wonderfully creamy and cheesy. As mentioned, it is so perfect with everything. I know, you're ready to make it, right? Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this recipe on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then finally, share this recipe with your friends on your favorite social media platforms like Pinterest, the Gram, and Facebook. Hey, one more question. What are they called again? Those potatoes are some delicious. Oh, love these. Oh, I love those potatoes.